Hi, and welcome to your DIY website. My name is Casey Marlette, and what we're going to be doing here in this lesson and over the lessons ahead is doing our own development and design in websites. Now listen, if you have a website right now and it's stuck on the back page of Google or Yahoo or Bing, don't worry, jump in on the lessons here, and we're going to be able to work through the video tutorials to train you to be able to get your website from the back to the front. So what's in your domain name? I'm sure you got some great ideas about how you would like your domain name to look and feel and sound. So if you were to think about McDonald's, McDonald's.com, Staples.com, those are some great domain names. You're not getting those today, I can guarantee you that. Now the one thing that most people really ask about are all the great or good domain names gone. Nope, they really aren't. There's some great domain names out there that you will be able to incorporate into your business. And one of the few things that you really need to be aware of when you look at your domain name is how easy is it to find on the web? Is it titled similar to your website, like your DIY website? That makes it really simple. It's your do-it-yourself website, so you have an idea. So one of the things that you want to do is make sure that your VRE and your SEO impressions are all geared towards your customer and being able to be found. Let's check out the next section here. Really, it's not that hard. Don't make it harder than what it is. This is easy. Here we are at DIY, and so let's see. We've got the navigation here in the box. On this page that you're at right now, I want you to look and see there's a read here. This is very important. Read the reasons why you should keep your domain name server separate from your hosting server. Also, we're going to be going over the web editors right here. So as soon as you get done with this lesson and got your domain name all set up, come back here and let's get this going to the next section. Alright, so as you read through, we're talking about First Step Domain. Now First Step Domain is one of my sites. I get a nominal fee for promoting a company that has set up a server. It's awesome. One of the things I like about it, it's very straightforward. Now, you know what? GoDaddy is set up very similar, so if you want to go through GoDaddy, go ahead. But right now I'm going to walk you through First Step Domain. Okay, so up here on the top paragraph, I'll link in. And First Step Domain opens up. Now I'm going to be setting up a website that's going to be just specifically for these tutorials. So let's get started. The website that we're going to be doing first is called In My Web Tools. We're going to use the Xsite Pro as the tutorial sections for that. And the next one I'm not really quite sure yet, but it's available. As you can see right here, you have the left and right panes. Got some other suggestions for website names and stuff like that. Alright, then we're going to go to the next one. In that frame we have, I'm going to put in my password. All my stuff is in Express to checkout. Makes it really simple. Or if I didn't, I would have to input all my information on that right pane. So let's go here. Now the blue box is my personal information, but what I want you to look at is this 2-year thing. It's very important for the SEOs to see that you're going to be around for a while. Now in the next frame you're going to see this. It's going to give you options of expanding your protection. It's very important that you're protected on the web. A lot of people steal a lot of information on the web, as you very well know. And so there's an offer here. You have a basic plan. You don't really care. It's just a simple site. Or just one that's got minimal protection. And then you have one that's just got super optimal protection on it. It's a great setup, great sections, but it still allows you to go through and choose what you'd like. Now you can always add these products in later if you want to. But I just want you to be aware of them. And the next button. Now when you're signing up with First Step Domain, GoDaddy, or any of those, you're going to have all these different options, especially for your domain name server. They can actually host it for you. But I don't really use these products here. I'm not saying that they're not good. I just haven't got time for it. I guess if I really wanted to, I could check it out. Now in the next pane, we're going to go here and we're going to review what we're purchasing. Okay. And credit card information blocked out. I want you to read the terms and conditions before you check the box. And then go ahead and, once you read that, go to your checkout. Once you're there, this is what you have, and you can begin and proceed. Now you're going to have a sign-in section, log in with your password. You'll have to get that set up, but that's that easy. It is so exciting that you're beginning your domain name today. I want you to enjoy getting it. It's a lot of fun. but I still want you to look at the reasons why you keep your DNS server separate from your hosting server. I don't want you making the same mistakes I've made over the years and have a headache. Now don't forget about the sound alikes and misspellings. Let's use a simple one like I love you. We all know how that's spelled, but we also know that you can spell it I-L-U-V, U, letter U, or I-L-U-V-Y-O-U. So there's different misspellings. Now I want you to think about that when you're building your domain name, because you are building in a name, and that's your name. Now you want to change it down the road, you absolutely can. It's really not going to be hard. But I want you to work out several different variations. Do about 5 or 6 of them. Really don't make them any longer than 20 characters long. And then go sign up, search out your availability, and get your VRE done today. Now whether you do it with First Step Domain, GoDaddy, or all-in-ones, but check out the all-in-one, the comparison chart that we have. Those are really good. And really, just have some fun today getting your domain set up.